Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's been about 4 days since our big snowstorm, and today it's going to be about 40 degrees, so a little bit of the meltdown is starting. However, given we got 16 inches of snow, it's going to take a while for that snow to leave. It'll probably be here for another week or two. It could be in the 50s on Friday, so pretty excited. Maybe I'll be able to come out here and actually do something for a change, huh? Anyway, I recently got some subscribers that asked me, hey Henry, when are you gonna come out with a new sticker? Because I've had like the same 4 stickers for quite a long time, you know? So I took my took the advice of some of the subscribers, and I designed a new logo. You guys might have seen it in some of the episodes, and I put it out there on my social media before I got to the video. And I've already sold 5 overnight, you know, and my regular subscribers, Ernie McDonald, as well as my buddy Bill Martini here locally in Central Islip. Anyway, so here's the sticker. You guys have seen the logo before, and I ordered about 50 of them, and they're holographic, and it's my new wrenches grill. So it's got the stainless steel YouTube play button, 2 wrenches on a grill. I got this grill because this grill, if you guys are longtime subscribers, you'll remember that my Rodimus Prime has the Craftsman LTV 10 grill that I painted, and it looks just like that. So I thought that would be cool to incorporate the old school retro grill into this logo design. So this is limited edition. You know, I like to experiment with new different logos and stuff. And like I said, it is holographic, and it's 3x3 in inches, right? And this would make a really good addition to your collection of Mowers and Blowers stickers. So go check out my Instagram page at Mowers Blowers, and in the bio there's a link tree. It's a link that takes you to a whole bunch of my other links, right? And you could find the link to my eBay that goes right to this sticker, as well as my other stickers too, if you guys would like to start your collection now. We always have new subscribers that join the channel, and perhaps they would like it too. Anyway, so thanks to Ernie McDonald as well as Bill Martini for buying the first 5 stickers. I appreciate the support of the channel. And to all you guys who would like to get the new sticker, it helps contribute to the channel and keeps the videos going almost every day. But as you guys remember a few episodes ago, my friend Alan, who is on my gun channel, I met him through the gun channel, he's a subscriber. We go shooting at the range together. He's a really good guy. Anyway, in summary, his nephew or something like that had this drop, chop, cut off concrete saw. There's 1,000 names for this thing. It's very expensive. It's a Stihl Ts400. And while I told him 90% of the time why these things don't work is because the piston, bore, and rings are DONESKI. You know what I mean? And then usually you have to change them. It's all due to the fine dust that this thing emits, regular use. The key to keeping this thing maintained well is to always have a good supply of air filters. Now this thing has a pre-filter, a regular filter, and then a post filter too. So it's got 3 filters to keep the fine dust away. And it's appropriate because this thing, the dust is super fine. Anyway, so we were lucky, at least my friend Alan was lucky, that he didn't need a $300 or $400 labor and parts for replacing the piston, bore, and rings on this, right? He was the lucky 10% that all he needed was a new air filter, because while the inside was clean, it blocked off the air to this thing. And so, very, very dusty. Very dirty. So this is the main filter, right? It comes with a pre-filter. I'm sorry, this is the pre-filter. It's a foam element, right, in this cover. And then the post-filter, the one right at the carburetor. Anyway, when I took the filter off, I primed it with some spray. We pulled it a bunch of times and it fired right up. It may need an adjustment on the high-low fuel adjustment screws, but we'll get to that once we install the new filter. So I asked my friend Alan, did you want me to order you some filters? The OEM one was like $35 for the set, right? The paper element filter in the middle, the pre and the post filter. The pre filter is a foam thing. This thing right here. And as you can see, this is saturated with dust, fine dust. I found a pack of 3. That's right, 3 for only 16 and change plus tax, so 17 and change. So it comes with a pack of 3. He's gonna need them too, you know what I mean? So I figured I'd order him to 3. I'll charge him for the filters only. He's my friend, so I'm not gonna charge him for anything else. He'll probably give me a box of ammo for my troubles. This is the copied 3 pre-filter, post-filter. Looks the same, but I mean, I guess it is. This is just clogged with stuff, that's all. So that's that. And then this box over here is the new paper element filter. And it has the foam thing here too. See? So 3 of these. 3 of 3. So 9 pieces for 17 change. That's really a good deal. You know what I mean? And so I'm going to install it. It's lickety split, but as you can see, it's quite dirty. So what I want to do is, let's take this foam filter out first. Holy cow, look at that. Saturated with dust. Can't breathe that stuff in, man. You'll get cancer. Like everything else, you'll get cancer from everything. And here is the paper element filter that goes in like that. Look at that. Look at that. Is that crazy? Look at this. Holy cow. So no wonder it didn't start, because there's absolutely no air going to the carburetor. You know what I mean? Look at that dust. Crazy, right? So these things are DONESKI. We're going to chuck these out. Maybe we'll keep that. I don't know. That one might still be able to use it. But anyway, these are still all saturated with dust and stuff. So I'm just going to go and spray some carb cleaner all over the place and just wipe it down a bit. Just using some carb spray just to clean it out. You know, if I use water, it'll freeze. It's too cold out. This is fast drying. I'm just going to basically rinse all this stuff out so that it's relatively clean. This can's almost DONESKI anyway. That's nice. So I've cleaned these things pretty much. It's good enough. Here's the post filter. As you can see, the hole is on the top, so we're just gonna, I think we just put it like that, no? Then we have the paper element one. I mean, this is the most comprehensive air filter installation ever. I mean, it's 3 filters, plus you need to use torque screws to put them in, you know? Okay, I wonder if there's any orientation to this. It just goes in like that. Has to be a nice tight seal, you know? That seems like it's right. Could it be this side? I don't think it matters. It's about the same. So I'm going to put this on now. Okay, I got the paper filter screwed in. Now I've got the pre-filter. This part here looks more dense than this one. So I think this goes on the outside. This part has a vent on this side. Maybe it only fits one way. Okay, you know what? So let's go outside and take this outside and let's try it out. Make sure there's some gassage in here. And there is, but you know what? Let's try it. Okay, I haven't started this up in over a week. Putting this thing to start. This thing to full choke. Lifted the compression release. There's no primer bulb, so take it off a choke to half choke. It idles just fine, and it revs and runs just fine. So I don't think you need an adjustment on the adjustment screws. If it stalled without you holding it, then you might have to take it out a little on the low. And then if you went full throttle on it, right, and it didn't go full throttle, it bobbed, then you would need to let out the high. But it revs high and it idles well. So we don't need any adjustment. This thing's good to go, man. So there you go. Runs great. All it needed was the 3 filters you have to change. That's it. Pretty cool. I like the saw. I don't think I would ever use it for anything, which is why I don't have one. But anyway, Alan, if you're watching, and I know you are, darling, come and pick it up whenever you want. I'll need a box of 223 or 556 brass. and $20. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.